Is this the year that you want to learn to paint? I am here to help you do that. My name is Sharon Graves. I have paintingwithacrylics101.com, my beginning painting website. And on there is the Painting with Acrylics Academy. And it is a full-blown course for beginning artists. It takes you from buying the correct supplies, what you need, leaving what you don't, understanding the brushes, the paints, supports, a color wheel, to understanding how to mix color, how to make a color chart, about values. Then we move on into other important art concepts like perspective and composition. All of those things to give your painting the depth that you're looking for. So often, beginning painters give up almost immediately, not realizing that this is a skill. And you can learn a skill, you can practice a skill, and you can improve on a skill. And there's only one way to improve on a skill, and that's to do it more and more. Practice, and practice with a purpose. I don't do this well. I'm going to learn this. I'm going to use this that I just learned in this particular project or painting. And so once you have achieved how to use your brush, how to create different things with different kinds of brushes through Painting with Acrylics Academy, we move on and we paint these two paintings. So yeah, you can absolutely do this. In my gallery that I used to own years ago, I was teaching a rooster painting to some adults, and my 4-year-old grandson came in and he wanted to paint something. And I said, well, the kids are going to be painting a cupcake today. You want to paint I don't want to paint no stupid cupcake. I want to paint that rooster. He was 4. I walked him through the steps, and he did a phenomenal job for a 4-year-old. So, if my 4-year-old grandson can do it, who's extremely ADHD and OCD and every other kind of little initial thing, then anyone can do it, and that means you. So if this is your year and you want to learn to paint, this is the course for you. Why? Why now? Because this week only, Cyber Monday today through Friday night at midnight, it's going to be half off. I know, call me crazy. It normally sells for $199. It will be $99. Less than $100 for the 11 modules that include these two paintings, all of the things, the lessons that you need to learn that beginners struggle with, plus there are 3 bonuses as we learn how to paint perspective and use those kinds of things. So if this is your year, this is the time for you to learn to paint. So let's get moving on it. Let's paint together real soon. Painting with Acrylics 101.com. Scroll down to Painting with Acrylics Academy and check it all out there. And no discount code needed. It's already marked to $99. It just will never, ever get better than this, and I will never run it like this again. So you got 5 days to make up your mind. Have a great day. Let's paint together soon.